welcome to Tech. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewer, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press the icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen. So viewer, in this video I am giving you information how to deposit fund in your Trust Wallet mobile application, because sometimes you need to make a transaction or you can exchange one coin to other coin, so you must have a balance in your application. So if you want to get this information, so please watch this video till end. This video is going to be very informative for you. But first of all, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. You can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowalletsinfo.com. So now I'm going to open my Trust Wallet mobile application, because today I'm going to some deposit on my this application. So you can see here the Trust Wallet mobile application open in front of me, and my application is password protected. So now I'm going to enter my code here, because I want to save my account from scammer or hacker, so that I have apply. So just enter code. You can see here this join the Trust family, get product updates, airdrops and competition announcement. You can also join the Twitter and Telegram of Trust Wallet. You will easily get the incoming updates about Trust Wallet application. So I have already joined, so just I'm going to click on close. When I click on close, you can see here the interface is front of me, Trust Wallet. So today I want to deposit some amount in my Trust Wallet. So first of all, I want to select which wallet I want to deposit. So I want to deposit in BNB, Binance Coin. So first I search in interface available or not. So you can see here the Binance Coin is not available here, so I'm going to show in my interface. So just go to the setting and search here BNB. So this is a BNB coin, so I just want to show this wallet on my interface of Trust Wallet. Just go to the backspace button, and now you can see here viewers, the BNB wallet is shown of my interface of the Trust Wallet. So just go to the click on it. If you want to deposit on this wallet, so you must have receiver address or your ID. So this button is send, receive and copy. So I want to deposit some amount in BNB in my Trust Wallet mobile application. So just go to the click on receive. When I click on it, so the browsing this wallet, and you can see here there is my Trust Wallet ID. You can see here this is my Trust Wallet ID. So if I want to copy this ID, so just click on copy. If you want to also get this ID at your mobile, so just simple, you download the QR code scanner and scan this QR code. You can easily get this same ID at your mobile. So this time I have copied this ID, and now I'm going to open my Atomic wallet, because I have some balance in my Atomic wallet. So first of all, I'm going to log in, and you can also use same scenario with any exchange. You can easily deposit it from any exchange in balance in your Trust Wallet. So today I'm going to deposit some amount from my Atomic wallet to Trust mobile application. So I have click on icon of my Atomic wallet. Let's take some time for opening. You can see here the Atomic wallet is open in front of me. This wallet is also password protected. So I'm just going to enter my password here and open wallet. So you can see here my all wallet available here, and my also balance is shown here. So I want to deposit in my trust wallet BNB. So first of all, I'm going to search BNB wallet in my Atomic wallet. So can you see here the Binance coin is available in my this wallet 0.44, almost 12 USDT. So I am going to click on send because I want to send amount from Atomic wallet to Trust wallet. So just click on send, or you can see here there is click here the paste address or domain. So just click here. I already have the copy of my BNB wallet address from my Trust wallet. So when I click on it, so you can see here the address is automatically pasted here. So click here to paste memo. So I want to again check I have any memo on my Trust wallet or not. So you can see here where there's not any memo available. So I just want to send money. So if you have, then you can easily write here, but I have not in my Trust wallet, so I'm not going to enter anything here. So just I'm going to enter amount, how much I want to send. So let's suppose I want to send 0.05. in USDT shape amount is $1.35, and my available balance is 12 USDT, and network fees is that 0.00625 BNB. So 0.0169 USD, this is the network fees. So now I'm going to send. If the amount is less, then this wallet will be sent, otherwise the caution shown here. So just click on send, and now I'm going to enter my password here and confirm. Now as you can see here, successfully 0.05 BNB was successfully sent, and transaction hash is there. You can also check the transaction on this hash rate. So I'm going to click on back to the wallet, and you can also hear the Atomic wallet this transaction history 0.05 BNB sent on this address. So now I'm going to again open my Trust wallet. I have received or not, because it takes some time, but I want to also check it's maybe possible as a quick deposit or not. So this is the BNB wallet, so I just want to click on it. I have received or not. So as you can see here, successfully I have received 0.05 BNB in my Trust wallet. So this is very easy way you can easily deposit from any exchange to your Trust wallet application, and you can easily make the transaction from your Trust wallets. So viewers, if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. You can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowalletsinfo.com. So meet with you in new video. Bye bye.